Okay, so we literally just unboxed this a couple moments ago. It just arrived. We weren't expecting it, but we were pretty excited once we knew it was here. So this is what they call the auto empty bin, I believe, and they call this just the dustbin. I have just removed these two little pieces that go essentially kind of right here on either side. I removed two of them, and I just took off the protective cover off of that. Things it includes a mop attachment already put together with a replacement. This clips onto the bottom pretty easily. I messed around with it before I put it here. Has remote control. It's cleaner, a filter. I believe it's for the auto empty bucket, and it has another replacement brush, which is this guy right here. So I'm just gonna grab it, and first thing I did was just hold this button, and yeah, it's gonna try to find its way, I guess. There you can see it. First thing I did when I first got it was just to hit the home button, the on button, and then after it turned on, it said something, I don't recall what it was, and it did exactly what it's doing now. It turned around until it sort of found the home and just docked into it. So I'm not totally sure what it's gonna do now. This is the second time I do this. So yeah, it looks like it's backing into place. And let's see, there you go, yeah. So, see, there you go, it did exactly that the first time. And I did it again. And so that's as far as I've gotten with it, so I can't tell you pretty much anymore. I just thought that I'd show you that. Thought it's pretty cool. And I will try to get it up and running, hopefully tonight, and I'll post some additional notes in my review about what my thoughts are. As you can see, we have mostly hardwood floors. I am curious how it will react when it goes over that ledge that you see over there, if it's even possible for it to go over the ledge. And we have another ledge on the other side that actually goes down one step. So those are some things that I'll be testing for, and I'll make sure I leave a review about. But the overall presentation is very nice. Looks beautiful, actually. So let's see, hopefully it works as good as it looks. But so far, the impressions are good.
Frodo, leave it alone. Frodo. Safe. Leave it alone.